This year we planted rainbow carrots, and so they didn't get big because, well, I'm not very good at growing carrots yet. But as you can see, I'm started cutting them up for garden mix, and then realized, oh wait, anyhow, we got this reddish one here that's more orange inside. Then we've got the regular old orange carrot. And then you got these deep purple ones that are deep purple inside. They're really cool looking. And then there was a yellow carrot too. So I just wanted to point that out to you. They were pretty thin. They didn't come up super great. I mean, clearly they're not like a normal everyday growing carrot, but they grew the same size as my regular orange ones here would. But I just wanted to show you all these ones here. That's a peasy looking little thing right there. Let me see. But yeah, there you go. Anyhow, rainbow carrots. Gonna put them in the canner with, or in the jars with the garden mix.